Hi guys, the Dream here. In today's video, we will be watching two new music videos from the upcoming TAE TAE new solo album Layover, and they are called Love Me Again and Rainy Days. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to see our TAE TAE's project. It's here, like the pre-release tracks, those two are here. It's almost here because it's gonna be released in September, so at the beginning of September, so it's really soon. I think 8th of or 9th of September, something like that. And yeah, from the description that I saw about the album, is like all of the songs will have this R&B vibes, like this, TAE TAE style that we know of, the slower, like soulful vibes. So I'm really excited to see his whole project. And it was said that we will have not only those two and the main track, but the MVs for all the tracks in the album. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And now I am hoping that for the future projects of all the other members, Hype will finally do more music videos for them as well. Can you imagine the next Mini project to have like 5 MVs or 6 MVs? Oh my gosh. Or A.R.M.'s project? Oh my gosh. Or Yoongi's project? Oh my god. Or Jin's? Oh my god. Oh my god. That would be incredible. Or the OT7 next album to have like 4 or 5 MVs? Oh my god. That would be incredible. Incredible. So it is amazing. Like I said, I am excited to watch those two MVs. I'm sorry I didn't got to them earlier in like when they came out, but it was so fast. After the previous weekend's like whole craziness of the final D-Day concerts with DK, Timini, Tony Montana, and A.R.M., and like the unreleased song and everything, the emotions of the high of those last concerts and everything, and Yoongi showing us the 7 tattoo and everything, and then the news of him enlisting, of Yoongi enlisting coming, and that was like, oh my god. And yeah, I just needed a little bit of time to process all of it, and then they dropped that the TAE album is coming like right now, no break, coming, everything is one after another, and I just was, oh my god, I need some time to process all of it. At the same time, I of course have a lot of things to do every day with the house and everything, and I am pretty busy all the time, so I just needed to wait a bit and find the time to calmly sit down and process and take in those new MVs and TAE's album. So yeah, I'm here today. I am excited. I saw, like, from the promotional pictures, I saw this picture with Tannie. Oh my gosh, so it's gonna be TAE TAE and Tannie solo debut. Oh my gosh, the duo, oh, the fluffy duo. Oh my gosh. And from the first MV that dropped, Love Me Again, I saw on Twitter this compilation of photos with the sequins, like, shirt. So this is the only sequence thing I have, the hat, so I put it on today especially to match up with that. So yeah, we have the R&B coming in with the TAE lower register, deeper voice. Oh, I already can imagine how soulful it will sound. So yeah, I think I said it all, I explained it all, so I am ready. Let's get right into it and let's watch those two MVs together. Let's go! Alright, lovelies, there we go. Here we are, the first MV for the first pre-release song, Love Me Again by V, from his future album, upcoming album, Layover. Oh my goodness, I have the shiny pillow and the sequence hat to match this picture that I showed you. Okay. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Click. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, already. The soulful R&B vibes like we were told. Ooh. Oh. Oh. This. Ooh. Tae with his blonde hair. It looks so glamorous with those earrings like hooked on his ear. Oh my goodness. I love those sequins shirts. Like the turtleneck kind of with those chains. He looks like, oh my god, ray of like sparkly light. So glam. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's focus on the sounds as well. His voice also coming in so like low and deep and soulful, you know. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Ooh. So vibey and catchy. Ooh. Ooh, Tae, oh my gosh, those higher notes as well. And look at the retro mic. So this MV is kind of like a performance in a retro style, like, oh, shining in the club, like of this, like 60s, 70s or something. Like, oh my gosh, okay. Looks gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yes, the retro vibes with the 70s, 80s probably better would describe this. Ooh. Ooh. And it's catchy as well. And the snapping like melody and and this red without sleeves turtleneck as well. Oh my gosh. The old vibes with the old TV and mics and everything. Tae, don't look at us like this. Oh. Oh, the faster like flow of the melody and him like a tiny bit singing rap there. Oh my gosh, and this vibe, this is so like glamorous, soulful retro vibe. So Tae, oh my gosh, definitely it's like screaming Tae. He loves vibes like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this time, this part. Da 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 da. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my. And this effect of the old camera. Yes. Ooh. Oh. What do you mean, Tae? We all love you. But we do. And it's catchy. I already remember it. Ooh. Awesome job, Tay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh wow. It was perfect Tay vibes. So slow and vibey and snappy beat and like this atmosphere of the retro like 70s 80s and stuff and like very R&B and oh wow, love it so much. Okay, so now let's move on to the next music video, next song, Rainy Days. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, that one was wow, was so Tay. So Tay. When I think of Tay's voice and everything, I just always imagine that kind of vibe and he matched the expectations perfectly. So, yeah, let's hop on to the Rainy Days. All right, there we go. Rainy Days by V. 3, 2, 1, and go. Click. Oh, the piano again. Oh, again the retro style. Ooh, so many, so many Tay faces. Oh, but I'm so glad he did those MVs with the blonde hair. We've been missing members like dyeing their hair in the different color than black for so long, and Tay is with the blonde hair. Yes, now we need another member to do that too. All right, so let's listen. Mm. Oh, this is so like a cafe vibes, like very chill R&B, like oh, like I would imagine it's like playing in the background in some cafe, like on the like Sunday afternoon, the sun is shining, you're drinking some juice or some drink at the cafe and looking at the beautiful sky and the buildings and the people. Oh my gosh, yes. Rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Oh, with Tannie. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. And this building looks so cool. Like it's a little bit round with the round windows and everything. And so far it's in English. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And Tannie was there. Let's go back to the beginning because I was talking a lot, but I need to, describe everything I'm seeing. It's so like, wow, so retro and so good. And of course, like it matches Tay perfectly. So, wow. Okay. Ooh, but it got a little bit more beat to it. Like, mixed R&B with mixed with pop, they said, right? Yes. Ooh, this building looks so cool. Wonder where it was, if anyone knows. Tell me in the comments. Oh, Tannie! Tannie is so cute! Oh. Oh. Look at Tannie! Find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way. And the old TV, old cartoons on the TV. Oh, his old soul. Like, oh my goodness, Tay. I love the vibe of it. It's like I said, perfect for the like it's not it's about rainy days, but it's like I'm imagining it in a sunny day, in like in a cafe on a sunny day, beautiful day, with this beat and everything. It's so like calm and soothing, and wow,
It's
wow.
like rainy days. I'm thinking about you. What to say?
And it's
Wishing
so
how
easy
to
to
find
sing along
a
to.
way right back to you.
I already remember the melody
Rainy
and
days like
the chorus. Oh, ooh. Oh, cute. Oh.
remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors.
Ooh.
Don't tell me it's over. We can start
Ooh.
it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your
Oh.
kiss. 그 말은 아팠지.
Ooh. Wow. And now we are bringing in the artsy Tay, the Tay that loves to paint and sculpture and everything. Oh my gosh, look at him in here. Wow, our artist Tay, like a painter Tay. Oh my gosh. Wow. And this is so interesting. Those like sculptures of him singing. Oh my gosh. Oh, and him like molding something.
We
Wow.
can start again, open all
Oh,
the doors. Don't tell me
and the
it's
lyrics are so
over. We can
sweet.
start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지, and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Oh my
Rainy
gosh.
days like rainy days.
Oh, he drew an alien. Oh my gosh, with the little antennas. Oh, Tay Tay. Oh, that was so cute.
Rainy days like rainy days. I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find
Ooh.
the way
That
right back to
drawing
you.
there.
Rainy days like
Wow. That's why maybe this building looks so like a spaceship, like a alien headquarters, alien apartment, because Tay always have been called from the beginning like a little alien and everything, and Timini called him that, and like they're always described like this very unique individual and everything. So yes. Oh, he's playing into that in here. I love that.
I'm thinking
Wow.
about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find
The
the way
way.
right back to you.
Ooh.
Rainy days like
The melody is so beautiful with the piano and the beat and oh, and those like sounds from the TV or something. Oh, but with Tannie. Oh. Oh, that was so beautifully like how to describe it, like cozy vibe. Oh my gosh, beautifully cozy. The first one was so glam and so like very nightclub scenery from the 70s 80s, like with the sparkles and everything, this like sensual soulful glam vibe, and this one is so cozy and like beautiful and cute and just like warm. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love it. It so fits Tay, and he played into the alien theme, and like he drew a little alien and this futuristic but retro at the same time. Wow, wow, combining all the styles in this like building and everything, matching everything together. Oh, wow, I love that. I love that. It fits him so well. And yeah, it was beautiful. All right, everyone. So that was my reaction to Love Me Again and Rainy Days. I think I said it all, what I was feeling throughout watching it, and like everything that I've noticed, I told you about. And I really think it fits Tay so well. Those vibes are perfect him. We can feel his soul through it. And yeah, it was really beautiful. And with Tannie, it was so cute with Tannie there, like his acting debut of Tannie as well. And yeah, everything worked so well with this retro but futuristic, but like, oh, soulful and glam vibes all mixed together, and artsy also, like a painter and everything, like the art studio from for the works of arts, like sculpturing, painting, and everything. So yeah, it all combines the perfect Tay soul of Tay, I wanted to say. But yeah, I am looking forward to this album release in September, and the main track music video as well, and the other two music videos for the other two songs. So we have three songs left from the album that we didn't hear yet. But yeah, those two are definitely very beautiful and very Tay Tay. So yeah, I hope you liked my reaction, and if you did, please leave this video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Love you, purple you. To the next time. Bye.